Hello, welcome to CGTN live streaming. We're now coming to the Intelligent Industry and Information Technology Pavilion of the CIIE. I'm Wu Lei.
I'm Serena, nice to see you again.
And this is one of the most high-end equipment and cutting-edge technology pavilion at this year's CIIE. Over 300 companies are showcasing the latest technologies and solutions for the low carbon and green and smart sustainable development.
Yes, although this is the fourth year of this global trade event here in Shanghai, you can still see a lot of global participants as well as visitors here are in this pavilion.
Sure.
So I know you said it's the pavilion has like a super huge long name, but I wanted to sum it up. It's just like the pavilion in the future because it's all about high technologies where we will be experiencing in the near future.
Yes, we are now coming to Epson's pavilion, and we are now very happy to be joined by Ms. Yuan Xue, the brand director of Epson.
Welcome to Epson 2021 CIIE booth. Welcome.
Yes, we're now live streaming at CGTN different platforms, including our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. If you have any question, just let us know.
Welcome.
And so show us what new technologies and solutions do you have this year?
Yeah, as you know, Epson is a cutting-edge technology worldwide, and this year we provide 40 solutions and nearly 80 products.
Wow.
And totally, I can summarize the three categories. Now you can see this is our green work and life. Very interesting.
Right.
Could you want to try the riding bicycle?
Well,
here?
I saw someone is already
here
on
is the three bicycles.
bicycle.
We hope
to
let you try, and then I can explain why I set up the bicycle here.
Sure. Before I hop on, can you tell me what's the highlight of
you
this
just
bicycle?
ride the bicycle.
Okay.
This bicycle can generate electricity?
No, you can electric.
Yeah, I can generate electricity.
Yeah, please try. Yeah, because Epson's inkjet technology we call heat-free. Heat-free inkjet technology, so no need to keep the warm to start praying.
So this power will power this machine?
Yeah, our colleague can. Now we are waiting. Yeah, you can see the green light already.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you saying when the green bars below are all lighting up?
Yeah.
Which can help generate the
Yes,
the printer,
because
right?
the energy consumption is very low.
So you can see this printer is highly efficient.
Right.
Yeah, look and see. This is looks like big machine, but only need 54 watt.
Can we just power it up?
Already?
Yeah, we can turn it on.
Wow, you can see.
Already have the electricity?
Yep.
Yeah, it's turned on.
Turns on.
Yeah.
So that electricity is really only 54.
Yeah, only 54. Yeah, over there like a table printer, only 12.
Yeah.
Right.
It's coming
Can we
from
just
my
print?
exercise.
Even
For
it's
example,
lower
for
than
example?
the light in
Later
our
we'll
home.
make a copy
I
of
see.
that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a try.
And then when it's starting up, let's make a copy.
Yeah.
A few
So
seconds. Right?
this is the first time
Yeah.
for Epson to show this kind of new solutions for this kind of smart printer.
I think that is a new demo approach
Yes.
for demo Epson inkjet technology. We have the low electric consumption.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, are ready to make a
Yeah,
copy.
please.
And then color. Just 1 minute. Let's start the work.
Very quick.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Let's waiting the printout.
It's coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay.
There we
And then
go.
we have this printout.
Okay, it
Nice.
works.
Thank you.
And you can
Thanks
see
for contributing.
this guy is
This
still
writing printing success.
yeah.
Well, special
Riding
thanks to
this
your
bicycle.
colleague.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been working
So
very hard.
what other new technologies do you have this time? Because we know
谢谢你。
green and sustainable is a major focus at this year's CIIE.
Right. Let me show you another category about Epson robotic arm. Yeah, we have this year is industrial and agriculture. We call the smart factory. Yeah, this is for the factory, intelligent factory. But here, very special. This is the new demo application this year's CIIE. You can see we call that is a one-stop agriculture solution. Very interesting. That is a demo the vegetable or the plant. Yeah,
It's mainly used for the agricultural farm.
yes, agricultural farm. The 6-axis robotic arm now is working for pickup and place. Yeah.
I guess this is what they call the smart farming in the future, right?
Yes, yes. And compare with the worker, I think that is enhanced efficiency and also can keep the qualified, I think, like keep quality.
Quality, yes.
Precise.
So it's
Precise,
not,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the Epson robotic have the visual system,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
There are sensor inside.
Sensors and big data.
Right, so here, due to some software, we can monitor the qualified plant
Okay.
by looking at shape or inspection the different data of the
So
plant.
by
So-
yeah.
Go ahead. So how many plants can it be censored within 1 hour?
Yeah, it depends.
Okay.
It depends. I think that is can be how to say expand to
Okay.
more.
Okay. Can you give us a range?
Yeah, sorry. Let me check the data.
Okay, okay.
Tell you later.
All
So I
right.
think by presenting this kind of technology, you're also seeking new partners at this CIIE.
Yeah, of course. Let me tell you, actually, all of the solution, Epson and local partner co-create together.
You're working
Not
down-
only Epson's device, like a robotic or printer. And because currently, not only the hardware, but also we need software and the
Yes.
5G and the intelligent, like IoT,
Working together.
working together.
I see.
Right.
Wow, this is
Here,
very beautiful silk.
Let me explain. Now, all of the fabric or the accessory printed by Epson. Yeah.
Printed, not manufactured.
Yes. Yeah.
Is
Here,
this is part of the 3D printing?
not 3D, just
okay.
directly print on the fabric.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
like a curtain or the real silk.
It's not handmade silk.
Yeah.
Is this behind how all these are
Yeah,
printed
actually,
out?
this area we call the culture digitalization. How to not only protect our heritage, like traditional cultural heritage, but also how to deliver right to more public. So
I
the
see.
first step, we need digitalize the data,
Yeah.
like
Right.
scanning.
Collect the data.
Collect the
scan
data.
the data.
Yeah, scan the data by Epson scanner, and then protect the data by Epson's, how to say, this is the record data in it. So we do, and then how to use the data. That is more important.
Yeah, I think this is the way how we protect our heritages. Because
Yeah.
you know, those things could be like thousands of ages old, but
Right.
because of the digitalization, we
Yeah.
can like keep it for even longer.
Yeah, yeah. And currently, the young generation more like a customized dressing,
Right.
not want to dress the same the
We don't want it
t-shirt.
to be uniform
Right.
like everybody
Yeah.
else.
Okay,
Yes.
let's take a close look about this.
Yeah, another how to utilize data that is how to say immersive experience.
Experience, yes.
More important.
Immersive
So
experience.
let me show you.
A lot of
Okay.
Yeah.
visitors here.
Yeah, that is a projection mapping show.
Okay.
Yeah, use the Dunhuang
Okay.
elements. Now everybody can see our Dunhuang the culture,
You're
heritage.
working with the Dunhuang
and with
Museum.
big screen, very
Like
good.
this. Let's take a
Right.
close look.
Yeah, please come
Okay.
in.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look.
Wow. So meet Zhonghua.
So meet Dunhuang.
Meet
This is the
There's
name.
a lot of visitors
That
here
is
as
the
well.
name of this project, right? And we co-work with the local partner,
Right.
and they have some Dunhuang data and create the contents, and then utilize Epson 3 LCD projector to give the projection on the big screen. Right. You
Look
can
at
see.
this.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is a
Look at
5
this.
screen, 4 walls and 1 floor.
You feel like we are actually in Zhonghua,
Yes.
touching all this sand.
Very emotional,
Yes.
immersive.
So I guess the purpose of this is to, how to say, take tourists to take all the tourist destinations
Right,
closer.
and also can give some education.
Right. And also,
Anyone can
especially
see
you know, under the pandemic,
Yes.
we can think of a better
travel,
way.
yeah.
Exactly, we can think of a better way to get close to these places.
Look at your ground. Yeah, this is the real Silk Road.
Right.
Okay.
Very
All these silk are
beautiful.
printed.
Yeah, that is real silk and printed by Epson, the big machine. We called very beautiful name Mona Lisa. This
Oh, really?
name is Mona Lisa. It
So
can
this
print-
is also a new printer here in China market.
But this is the first time show in CIIE.
I see.
Right.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, of course. This is the real silk.
Oh.
Right.
This is the fabric you printed on it.
Yeah, and that is real silk and also other like cotton, other fabric. And can realize the genuine color.
Right.
So the designer will be very happy.
Yes. Okay.
Please
Very
come here. You
genuine.
can
Okay.
pick up one scarf you like.
Okay. I can
You
try
can
it
try.
on.
Which one do you like?
You pick one for me.
Okay. I think this one.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
You like
Okay.
that?
Yeah. It's pretty nice.
Very nice.
What's the image on it?
It's a tiger.
Wow. Yeah.
It's a tiger or dragon.
It's very
Very traditional
Chinese. Yes.
Yeah, you can see very precise printing.
Yeah, it's very authentic. You
Yeah.
can feel it.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you like, please keep it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take it home. If you have any questions,
Yes,
you can.
just let us know.
Yeah, if you want this one, just leave a message to us. I can ship it to you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks to
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We'll
Thank you so
continue
much.
to explore the pavilion.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thanks so much for your time. Bye.
Okay.
It's
quite interesting.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, because in my traditional opinion, I guess that printer is everywhere.
Yeah.
We use a lot of printers, but you see the applications have been expanded in many areas in our society.
Exactly, but you know what I feel? I feel like after I visited this booth, I feel like a lot of people are gonna lose their jobs because
Yes.
of these technologies. But on the other side, we can feel like the world we are developing.
Yeah,
'Cause,
we also are
eventually-
creating jobs in many other new areas.
Exactly. Eventually, all these technologies will help make our life much more easier.
Yeah. So in this pavilion, over 40 companies will debut their new products,
Right.
including 9 for the world debut and 20 for the China market.
Okay.
So actually, in these days, a lot of companies will debut their new products in China market.
Yeah.
So we're going to find someone.
I see Microsoft
Yes.
on the right-hand side.
Microsoft is actually an American software company,
Right.
but they also trying
they-
to have some new technologies and solutions right there.
Okay. Are they unveiling anything?
Let's go and find out.
Let's go.
So we are very happy to be joined by Mr. Bao, the president of Microsoft China.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Welcome.
Nice to see you,
So
Serena.
I heard that Microsoft will have some new products at the CIE. Just to give us some examples.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we're very happy to maybe walk you through our booths and give you a perspective. I think it's an amazing opportunity for us at CIIE this year, really to show a lot of our innovation. And so we'd love to share with you not only some of the cool products that we have, but also talk you through some of the enterprise scenarios that we all think everybody can be experienced for.
Can't
Is that okay?
wait. Let's
Exactly.
So let me maybe start here and we'll go through it. So
It's a mouse.
let me show you guys this. This is the first time that we're showing this to audiences here at CIIE. We're actually launching this product today.
This
at
afternoon?
CIIE, this afternoon.
Wow.
And so
But
this is
you are
our-
now showcasing this here at our live streaming.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So this is our ocean plastic mouse. And so
Ocean
you can-
plastic mouse.
Ocean plastic mouse.
The material is green and
Yes.
it was made by waste.
Yes, so you can see we actually did a project to actually recycle ocean plastic.
Ocean plastic.
Right, so that's why it's called the ocean plastic mouse. So 20% of this mouse is actually recovered from ocean waste.
Wow.
And we put it into the mouse. So it's part of our commitment as a company to reduce, obviously, our emissions. And at this, yes,
Yeah,
please.
can we have a try of this product?
Of course.
It's a little bit
Is it
not
light?
heavy.
How many can you guys
How many
produce
weight?
every year?
Oh, there will be plenty of it made available for consumers. Absolutely,
Ah.
yes. And we're going to bring a lineup of these type of products because again, our commitment is actually by 2030
Oh,
to be carbon neutral, and by 2050 to actually remove all of the carbon from the economy that Microsoft has put in since 1975. So we have a very ambitious goal to do that. But at the
Because
same time,
China has set its goals for the carbon emissions and carbon neutrality.
That's right.
I think a lot of foreign companies like you also sees a lot of opportunities.
absolutely. No, and we want to do that. And we think we can achieve sustainability not only through production of these type of products, but also in the way we work.
Yeah.
So given the pandemic, we've had a disruption in travel,
Yeah.
right? And so we've had to find different ways of work. Now, Microsoft is obviously leading in productivity.
Yeah.
And so we think
Remote
about
working.
remote working or hybrid work.
Yeah,
and so
hybrid
I'll turn your attention here to the Hub 2S. So this is our,
Oh, this is the camera?
that's right, that's the camera right there. So
Okay.
this is the way we interact with different people from different organizations as well as different countries. So you can see we have a lot of functionality here. So let's take a picture here together, right? Yes. All right.
Okay.
And then we're going to actually drag it over to our whiteboard here. So this is actually two different applications.
Okay.
And so imagine if you're working from a
there we
different
go.
location, we're able to pull up the picture. We're able to instantly size it, right? Bring it out. We're able to size it.
Oh, okay.
And then we're able to also work with it. So let's do this. Why don't you sign your name here? We'll take
yeah.
You can
take the
sign the
pen.
name?
Yes. And so this is that way we would say, hey, how would we communicate? All right.
CGTN,
X.
Microsoft.
MSFT, yes. Microsoft. Great. Beautiful. And so you can see we can use the pen.
Right.
And then I'm able to, as well, seamlessly use my finger. And so it's a way for all of us to be able to interact, engage together, but also if we had another hub in a different location, we'd be able to do the same thing.
I see.
Right?
Cool.
I feel like keep
So
everybody
this
on
is
the same page.
It's used especially for the people who cannot go to the same room for the meeting.
Right,
You
right,
can
right.
share the pictures, share
That's
the
right. That's right.
other
Experience
materials.
from there. So why don't we go this way here,
Yeah,
and we'll
sure.
take you to the other side here.
Yeah.
And so as part of that, we also want to bring some different new experiences to bear. So let's.
This
let's
is
take
the
you-
fourth
this is mixed
time.
reality, right?
This is the fourth time for Microsoft.
Fourth time for us here at
So
CIIE.
this time the new solutions.
We just announced this concept recently, which is called the enterprise metaverse.
What does that mean?
So
reality.
yes, the metaverse is really a blend between the physical and the virtual world.
Right.
So what we just described is hybrid work, right? So really you're doing video chats and having that type of interaction.
Yeah.
But could we imagine ourselves in a different environment?
Right.
Where we're talking about mixed reality environment. So if we can have somebody in the room there, so we can actually you want to go try it on?
yeah.
Try?
Serena, so we'll go with
Okay,
Serena.
I'll do it.
Serena's going to put on the headset herself.
Okay.
It's not a VR.
So you can see this is mixed reality, what she's wearing here,
reality,
right?
okay.
But let's have her put it on.
So Serena is wearing mixed reality equipment.
So you want to come out here with me?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
come
we
on
can-
out. Come on. No, Serena,
No,
you
the
stay in the room.
cameraman. Okay.
You stay in the room. You come out.
So here we can
So-
throw this
What's the difference?
this
Okay.
swing.
然后呢？它在外面。
Yes. This will be Serena. So she's setting it up, right? So this is she's in. So this is what we mean by the physical world, right? So this is augmented reality.
Okay.
This is where you're really going to get a different experience, seamless experience, to where she's actually going to be in the ocean,
哦，我看到了。OK。
swimming with whales.
然
And
后
so
呢
we'll
然后
see.
You will see whales.
Yes, and she'll be touching and feeling whales.
Okay.
And Jason, can we show the hybrid experience here? So she's actually engaging and playing with the whales in the room. So she's petting the whales.
cannot see it
But
right now.
we'll see it in
Yeah.
2 seconds here. So
Okay.
this is, so imagine this is what it used to be in that environment, right?
为什么选择这个主题呢？哎，我现在有看到一个 number one。
You have to wait, we have to wait for a little while for the dolphin to come in. Okay. 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 So maybe we take a step here. We'll come back to this. We'll come back to this. So got it. Let's come back to this. Let's go here for the same type of environment. So this is obviously more of our business, our interactive education and training environment. Let's go here and see it in live in person for our physical environments. So you can see here, this is an engineer. He's wearing a different set of hardware on his head. Same mixed reality platform. So Microsoft is really building out the platform. And what he's seeing here is actually an enterprise scenario where a specific bridge, for instance, has cracks. And so you can see he's actually communicating with people on the back end on what's the best way to fix the situation.
Okay.
So
he can talk to others through this kind of
yes.
equipment.
And people are actually talking to him and showing him on his glasses what to do.
Okay, so this is a new solution for the manufacturing.
For manufacturing, frontline workers, for construction, heavy manufacturing, all of these different components. And so he's voice controlling it as well. And then you're going to have,
Can take a closer look at this.
and he's able to see us in real life. So if he needs to do something and work with us here, he can actually go and
Take picture.
Yes, take pictures, be able to scan, etc.
Okay.
And then this experience allows him to actually tell other people what needs to get fixed. So people will come in behind the scenes.
I see.
Serena, how was your whale experience?
It was
earlier?
nice. It was nice.
Very good. Okay. So do we want to maybe take another maybe couple steps and we'll
Yeah,
show you?
we want to talk about the metaverse. You
Yes.
know, Facebook is now launching its metaverse technology.
Sure.
So what about Microsoft? Do you have some plans
Yes.
to?
So what we just described there is really the enterprise metaverse, right? So there's
Enterprise.
the enterprise metaverse. So how do we work with customers to enable these hybrid scenarios?
Yeah.
So what you saw there is the metaverse. It's literally a construction worker. Imagine what they do today. They take out their phone, they take a picture, they send the picture
it
back
to-
by WeChat.
Right.
Somebody tells them what to do. They have to try to figure it out in real time, right? Now he's just wearing it on his head. He's able to see the picture, take the picture using his voice, send it back, tell him how to fix it, and he fixes it on the spot. That's the metaverse, the physical and virtual space come
So
together.
to keep everyone on the same page. I
Everybody
guess.
on the same page, absolutely. And you know, Microsoft, we don't do it all by ourselves. So all of this is partner solution. What you saw there was a partner solution, and what you'll see here is a partner
AIoT.
solution. Exactly. So for
Internet of Things and artificial intelligence.
absolutely, artificial intelligence at the edge. So really what you see here is all of these devices are connected through IoT.
These are the cooperation between you and your partners.
Yes, absolutely. And so you see here, you'll have people be able to support you virtually without having to come physically, right? Because again, we're in a world where travel is not so convenient. And if we can actually eliminate travel, that helps us again for sustainability.
Yeah.
And so our goal is to cut the travel time while still making efficient work. For a lot of smart cities, this is the goal that we want to take forward.
That's cool
But
because
do you think how long will this all put in
This
into
is all
practice?
live,
Already online?
ready to go. All
Oh,
of these
wow.
are live demos.
Oh,
You
live
a-
demos.
These actually, we have this put into place right now across multiple cities, across multiple customers.
Wow.
Right. And
last question.
Yes.
What are your major expectations this year, CIE?
Yes.
What do you want to achieve?
So as President Xi said, I think our goal is three fronts, right? First of all, how do we support digital transformation and innovation?
Yeah.
So you see here, these are all partners. As Microsoft, you know, our goal is to not necessarily do it all ourselves. For every $1 we make, our partners make $20. Right? And so that's the expansion of really how these technologies and platforms go broadly. The second we want to do is how do we digitally skill the workforce?
Right.
All of this stuff is new, right?
Yeah.
So how do you get somebody to learn these technologies?
Yeah.
How do you get them to use them and apply them in real world situations? That's the digital skilling that we want to do.
Yeah.
And the third is our commitment to sustainability. As I've said, we want to be water positive, carbon negative, and zero waste. So you
By
saw-
2030.
well, we're doing it now. For Microsoft ourselves, we will fully be carbon neutral by 2030. But you saw the stuff with the ocean mouse.
Yeah.
You saw some stuff that we'll do with our partners around bringing water and reducing water waste.
Yeah.
And we'll also do a lot of stuff around carbon removal from the environment.
I see a lot of global enterprises are showcasing their green products this year.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
these are low carbon or zero carbon products.
I think we have a social responsibility to do that as a tech company. And our goal is to not only do it ourselves, but enable all of our customers and partners to do that as well. That's
Okay.
right.
Thank you very much.
I have
Very good.
one question.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
So, since China has joined the WTO 2 decades
Yes.
ago,
Yes.
Microsoft obviously have been in China for
Yes.
over a couple of decades.
Yes.
So do you see,
Our camera, we can show this a little bit
what's
more.
your take on the Chinese market in terms of, joining before China joining the WTO
Sure.
versus right now?
Sure. So we've been in China for 30 years.
Yeah.
Right? And our goal is to continually bring innovation. Actually, China is our second biggest base of research. We have the most researchers as part of Microsoft Research Asia than we do anywhere in the world outside of the US.
Right.
And so our commitment is to continue to innovate here, to bring AI trends, machine learning trends into the market, IoT trends into the market. And our goal is a fair and balanced environment to play. So our goal is to really help multinationals come to China, bring their best technologies, their best products and resources, but also to help Chinese companies go global.
Yes.
And that's the goal, I think, ultimately of the WTO and what we're trying to accomplish.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you
Thanks
so
for your
much.
time. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thanks
for coming.
So we'll continue to explore this pavilion to
Absolutely.
bring you more green and low carbon
see you
products. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's
So
coming
here
out.
are the real wheel.
This is what I saw
Yeah.
when I was tracking
digital
the
wheel.
dartboard for about 10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, thank you. Thanks for your
Bye-bye.
time. Wow, that was quite an
Very
experience.
impressive. Yeah.
Okay, where are we heading?
We are going to another companies focusing on the digital solution and also sustainable development.
Okay.
So here are the Japanese company Nachi.
I
There are a
see.
lot of robotic arms here, as you can see.
Right. It's all very high-techy.
So guys, we're now doing live streaming. If you have any question, just leave us a comment.
And we're also live streaming on all of our social media platforms, right?
Yeah. Let's see, we have other comment here.
Do we have any comments
Not yet.
or questions?
So this year, because the global pandemic has badly affected the integrated circuit industry, so CIIE has set a special area for that industry. A lot of companies like Samsung, Texas Instruments, also coming to showcase their technologies. I think China aims to gather all of these companies together to have new solutions, collaborations, and deals.
And and also I think just as Chinese President Xi Jinping promised at the opening ceremony, he said China will, fulfill its commitment of a more open and wider market, as well as help boost the global economy. And I think CIIE is actually the answer to all these promises.
Exactly. And also, because this is my fourth time participating in the CIIE, and also your third time, right?
Yes.
And
How do you feel about it?
I think this year, actually, I went to some of the pavilions.
Right.
And many of them, or most of them, have the trend of this green and sustainable low-carbon development. Not only this intelligent industry and information technology pavilion, but also the cosmetics and
Food,
consumer goods.
even.
Consumer goods. They also have this kind of technology, innovations for the low carbon and green and sustainable.
Yeah. Go green!
Yeah, go green and being smart
Yeah.
is a new sexy.
Yes, exactly. Now we're still at the intelligent industry
this
and
is
information technology pavilion.
another section of this pavilion. A lot of companies are showcasing their latest technologies in the digital transformation and also low carbon energy saving. So we're going to, I think, Volvo.
Volvo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right at the corner.
Yeah.
Oh,
This
Caterpillar.
Ingersoll Rand is also a company that introducing their new technologies in the new energy and sustainable industrial digitalization.
And Caterpillar.
Yeah, Caterpillar.
The company from the United States, they are specializing in agricultural machines, I think. Oh, look at this giant truck.
Yes.
Oh my.
Someone say that this pavilion is famous for its big trucks.
Big trucks.
And also high-end and smart equipment.
Yeah.
You can
Especially
see
for-
this is a very big truck.
Especially for agriculture, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, there's John Deere. Is
Okay.
that John Deere? I think so. Oh, yes. Oh, Volvo. There
Yeah,
we
we
go.
are now coming to Volvo.
Okay. So, I think we are here
so we are looking for-
our guest.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are at the Volvo booth.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Serena
Hi.
with the CGTN. We're actually live streaming.
Yes.
We're very glad, so you can here give us a brief introduction about your booth and what's the highlights of this year.
Yeah.
Anything you want to point it out?
Sorry, I mean, of course, we have our products here, so we are launching the LX03, which is a yes, it's
one?
Can we
this
take a
one?
closer
Yes,
look?
Yes, it's a concept machine.
Yeah.
It's a concept
It's
machine.
a concept machine. Okay.
Yes, so it's autonomous and electric,
Okay.
and it's of course to drive sustainability for the future.
I see.
New energy.
New energy, yes, and autonomous. So it
Autonomous.
should
Okay.
operate by itself. And then we have this one that is a commercial, so it's a fully electric. So it's also new energy. So it's so those two we are launching, and the truck is as we now
This one?
yes, we are going to localize trucks in Taiyuan, Shanxi province.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so and then of course the theme we have is to our sustainability,
Sustainability.
and carbon
So
neutral.
most of your vehicles are now electric modified.
We are on the journey to that. 30% of our vehicles should be electrified by 2030
2030.
among the volume we sell. So we have a quite ambitious target regarding this, but we definitely think it's needed
Okay.
for humankind on Earth, and we like to do it like this, so we show concept machines as well, because we want to seek partners to cooperate with and so on in this journey. So it's a great platform to use for that.
Do you have any buyers by far?
Sorry?
Do you have any buyers?
Yeah, of course we have buyers as
Yeah.
well, but also
You have already signed some deals.
Yes, it has been several of signing ceremonies with big
Oh,
customers.
okay.
Take this ship docking
Yeah.
solution.
Yes.
I played this just
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
Sorry. Yeah, this is
Okay.
also a fantastic
What's
feature.
special about this?
What's special is it's automated, so you can, by using that joystick here, you can very easily dock the boat.
Serena,
on-
you have. Can
Yes.
you have a try? Just try it.
Yeah.
Do you wanna monitor this for us? Thank you.
I
Yeah.
can monitor. I
Yeah.
think I can anyway.
Okay.
So it's and then you control the whole boat with this joystick. And then it's also features like that you can, if it's windy and current and so on, you can keep the boat staying in one spot.
Okay.
So it's very much to help to operate and
It's not moving.
now it seems like it's not on, right? Yeah, I don't
Is
know.
it on?
I don't know.
So what's the difference between this one versus the traditional ones?
The traditional ones you need to operate and control the power yourself and so on. This one is using positioning systems to keep
It's
it
an
in
automatic
Yes,
docking.
Yes.
I see.
So it uses like GPS, and then you can operate. So you can do it like
this is a boat.
Yes, so you
Okay.
see you run it like this.
It start working.
Yes, and then you can turn it like this by just turning.
Okay.
So you see you can.
So make the captain's job much
Yes,
easier.
Yes. So even I can be a captain.
Yeah.
No. It's you see, it's very compared to if you should do all this with your with the steering wheel and with moving the engines in. So this is you can do it very easily like this.
I see.
Just like driving a car.
Yeah, or like
I
the
feel
video.
like you're on the
games.
video game. You know,
Yeah,
just like
yeah.
you can easily
Yeah,
manipulate
you
and
can,
both.
You can do. You see, then you just push it like this, then it will move into the. So it's
Let's take
so
a
I can.
closer look at
Yeah.
this.
and then if you turn it like this, you see the
It's moving out. Oh, I see.
So it's very nice. It's yeah.
So this is a new technology you are bringing into the Chinese market.
Yeah. It's for China and for all markets. This is one of our main features for Penta marine solutions. So it's not only like that we have the engine and the propulsion of the boats. We also have this kind of integrated solutions. Yes.
Do you have any partners in China in terms of the automatic docking system?
Yeah, we're working, of course, it's customers that we sell these solutions to, yes, for sure. So it's, yes.
Is this your first time here at the CIIE?
No, I've been here, last year, of course, we were here as well, with a similar boat and so on. I mean, it was first time we had our own. So,
let's just walk and talk.
Yeah.
It's but it's very nice, and I think this year is the more focus on the sustainability and carbon neutral, of course, which is very good for us because it's very much something Volvo very much.
It's the future, basically.
Yes.
Volvo is also targeting this kind of emissions in the next few years in the Chinese market.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, and our own target is that we should be carbon neutral by 2040, both for our products, but also from our operation point of view. So very much aligned with the targets in China. Yes. So
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So that's Volvo, and we're now going to another company featuring...
You are the tour guide. I'll follow you.
So it's a very big pavilion here. Over 300 global exhibitors are showcasing their technologies. So we are just picking you 4 companies, have a brief idea about how these companies are seizing the opportunities of green and sustainable development here in China.
And also the trends in all these industries. You can see it from here at CIIE.
Exactly.
So we are heading to another
So this company, yes.
Okay. Vertical field.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Vertical field.
Let's go here. Okay.
Okay, what's this company about?
It's actually it's an environmental friendly company
it's
called
purifier.
BIE,
Oh,
Water Gene.
Oh, I see. Is it a water gene?
Yeah, they have very interesting technology.
Is it purifier? No?
No, they can produce waters with air,
Oh, wow.
just with air and electricity.
How?
Let's talk with their CEO.
Let's talk to someone who knows the deal.
Yeah. Hi, Ivan. Hello. Hi. You can.
Should I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us more about your water gene products this year. What are the new high technology?
Okay, I will bring you up to our core product over there. We will have our Jennies, and this unit can produce 30 liters of pure air to water. So you can drink it right away.
How special is this machine?
You don't need anything. You need just an electricity and a place to put. So you put it, you turn it on, and it produces water.
But
just
where does the
very
air
simple.
come from?
The air, I
is
will explain.
everywhere.
Yeah, air is everywhere. Actually,
Oh,
we
it's
are
like in
we are all
general.
surrounded by water.
Oh,
We
I
are
see.
now standing in the water, but we
Yeah.
cannot see it. Yeah, but we cannot see it. So this thing,
Sounds
yeah,
very mythical.
yeah, this little thing can produce. It's like carrying our Genius technology. It can produce 30 liters per day, 24 hours.
Can you
So
give us some-
yeah, of course I will. We can drink all together.
Okay.
It's safe, it's
Make a
tasty,
toast.
and it's fresh. We can just take it out like this, put it over there, and we can actually try the air in our booth. So it's
But you need
exactly.
some time to prepare.
It's working all the time. It's working for 24 hours.
Wow.
Okay.
So it's very tasty. I would like you can
Really?
try it by yourself.
It's just
Really?
water.
Want to try?
Yeah, it's just water. It's just water. But this is the water just Let's put it. Yeah.
Okay,
Just
press
keep it like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This water is produced naturally from the thin air.
Okay,
Right
let me
over
have a
here. It's
try.
very
I see.
tasty.
It's pure water.
Yeah. And it's very tasty. It tastes like Evian or
Okay.
Perrier,
Yeah.
whatever.
Let me have a try.
Yeah.
You know, Avian sold at like 80
Yeah,
coin
yeah,
per
yeah.
bottle in China. That's very pricey water.
What we have over here,
It's a little
the
bit
water,
different.
the water, the air is coming from outside.
Right.
It goes through the different types of filters and
I
goes
see.
to our Genius system. Then it
Okay.
produces the miracle happened, and it
Wow.
produces the water, and then it goes to the water cycle to filter the water for water filtration, and after that, the pump bring the water up. And it mineralized naturally in the machine. We have a mineralized bag inside,
Right.
and actually, what we're drinking now is the mineral water.
Oh,
It's
wow.
not just the
Pure
just
water.
a regular
I see.
water. It's the
Yeah.
mineral water.
Yeah.
I
So
see.
what we call as the air to mineral water machine actually. So what we have, this is solution for offices, for homes, for all the open spaces we can have, and the only thing you need is an electricity as
I
your
see.
fridge. The
I
same.
see.
But China now attaches great importance to the green and saving development. But is it cost for the electricity?
No, it's not costly as electricity. It's almost the same as your coffee machine at home.
It's the same as a
As
coffee
your
machine.
is a regular coffee machine at home.
Okay.
But I wonder, would the air quality affect the taste of
I
the
will
water?
explain you something. You need when you purify the air. Actually, this process is very simple. When you comparing to when you purify in what is liquid, purifying the liquid is a very complicated and expensive process.
Yeah.
When you purify the air, it's very easy, and we have a kind of a carbon, etc., etc. A lot of different types of.
Do you have a video to show us how this kind of technology is demonstrated? Do you have some videos?
Yeah, sure, but you want to see it right now?
Yeah, do you have some videos
We
to show?
have, yeah, we're gonna have. I will have a video explanation of the whole process over here.
Okay.
Okay.
By the way, this is our another type of machine.
Water gin?
Yeah. It goes M1, middle one. So it produces 220 liters a day, and you can move it by your hand. It's heavy, but it's not that heavy that you need this, specific.
It's also a
things
water
to-
solution product.
It's absolutely the same. The core technology, the logic of the water production is absolutely the same, but it can produce a lot. It's the
see.
same.
It's a bigger one.
Yeah, it's the same technology as over here.
So this is like the solution to a factory?
Yeah, it's
or
the
things-
solution for all the places that you need the water, but you cannot. You need to be more.
Need
Let's
a bigger
say.
volume of
Yeah.
water.
Big volume of water, and you need to be more active or more movable. Let's say,
I
right?
see.
Yeah, I
So
see.
I will bring you over here,
Yeah.
Okay.
and we have our core technology explanation behind. Over there.
Which one?
This
Oh,
one.
this one.
Yeah. It's not that clear,
Yeah.
but you can see the. Let's say.
But you get the
what I just
idea.
well, you can get an idea what I just explained to you. You have a filters when the air goes inside, and then you have a Genius system when they produce the water, and then it goes to the filtration system, to mineralization system, and then it goes out and you can drink it right away.
I see.
So this machine, it produces around 900 liters a day. The
900 liters.
900 liters. So when you use it somewhere in the office buildings or it's in open spaces, open places, whatever, actually, army bases, islands, drilling platforms, etc., etc., you actually can provide at least 300 to 400 people of daily drinking water usages. So it's like it's quite tough thing. We can try it. We can try it as well.
So this water
Yeah.
also generated by
this water
one.
is generated by this machine. So you just like this, and this is the same water quality as we have in our Jennies.
The same
The
technology.
same technology and the same taste.
Wanna
So
try?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you
The
can
second-
try it. Yeah, we can try this one. It's not that cold because it's like ambient temperature.
see.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it should taste the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot
Right.
of interesting technologies
Yeah.
here because that's we just explored this pavilion, and water treatment is also a major issue here in China.
Yeah, sure.
I think a lot of companies want to have more efficient water solutions.
Yeah.
So that's why your company is hoping to tap further into the Chinese market?
Yeah, sure. We are now building our factory near Shanghai. It's in Zhejiang province. We
Okay.
bought the land, a big piece of Chinese land, and then we are on the construction process. We will have 50,000 square meters of factory. I hope we're gonna finish the building process this year, and we're gonna bring the factory up to the production before the end of next year. So it will produce around 150,000 units a year. It's a lot.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of clients in China. We have a lot of clients around the China in big Asia Pacific area. So it's perfect thing for us to develop our business inside China and in the big Asia area as well.
Okay. Wish you have a great deal at the CIIE.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for your attention.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
So that's pretty much for our live streaming here at the CIIE. I think we just explored many interesting technologies and also solutions. There are still more. I think if you have time, you have come here to visit this pavilion.
Yeah, and also we will be constantly live streaming almost like every day.
Yes, bring
from
you
different pavilions. So just stay tuned with the CGTN. We will be here until the end of this event, which is November the 10th.
Yes. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.